Hi everyone. Today we will be learning how to protect Excel workbook with a password in order to open it and to modify it. So both the scenarios, if you open it, you'll get an option to enter a password, and if you want to modify it, you need to enter a password for that. So let's get started with that. So first, this is a workbook. I have a data set here, and I need to set up a password for this file so that if anybody opens it or try to modify it, they would need a password. So for that, what I will do is I'll go to file, this option over here. When you go to file, you go to save as, and you go to browse. So once you go to browse, there will be a window which pops up, which will look something like this. Down here, you will see an option which says tools. You click on tools, go on general options. Once you go on general options, you will see this window. This window pops up. It asks you to enter a password to open and to modify. There's already a password set up, so I'll just remove it. I'll just enter the password here. So I'll set up a password as open, and to modify as well, I want the other person to enter a password, so I'll set the same as open again. So if you guys want the other person just to read the file and not to be able to make any changes, you need to click on this option which says read only recommended. So they will get an option which says they can open the file in read only mode. So I don't want to do that, so I'll click on OK, and I'll save this workbook as password protecting workbook save. So now this file is saved, so I'll just open this file I'll just close it from here, so, and then try to open it from the Explorer. So I'll just set up the view here. Okay, so this is the file which we have saved. It says password protecting a workbook. So I'll double click. So it asks for a password, so I'll enter the password as open and click on OK. Then it will again ask for a password for a modification. So if I want to modify anything, I need to enter this password. Otherwise, you can this person will be able to open the file and read only as well. So I'll enter open. I'll click OK. So this workbook will open. If I want to modify it, I can modify anything until unless I have the password for the file. So if you like the video, if it was helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you.